What if your boat could drive straight from land into the water? Meet the Sealegs 8.6-meter Alloy Max, a powerful amphibious craft engineered to conquer both land and sea with ease. Equipped with retractable wheels and a high-performance marine hull, it drives directly from the shore into deep water without needing a dock or trailer. Built from durable marine-grade alloy, it delivers strength, stability, and exceptional safety in all conditions. Its advanced propulsion system ensures smooth, confident performance whether on roads, beaches, or open water. Designed for rescue missions, exploration, and luxury adventure, this is true next-level mobility. The Sealegs 8.6-meter Alloy Max redefines freedom, making every terrain your launch point forward. What if your next ride wasn't on roads, but on the ocean at lightning speed? Meet the Glider Yachts SS18, a next-level water vehicle redefining luxury speed on the ocean. Designed with cutting-edge engineering, it delivers unmatched stability, comfort, and high-speed performance across open waters. From smooth cruising to powerful acceleration, every detail is built for precision and control. Experience futuristic navigation systems, premium interiors, and a ride that feels like flying over water. Whether for luxury travel or adventure, the SS18 stands as a bold symbol of innovation and maritime excellence. Built for visionaries, it transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience on the water, pushing boundaries of modern marine technology forward motion. What if you could fly over water instead of riding on it? Meet the Overboat 100F, a revolutionary next-generation electric hydrofoiling watercraft designed for speed, stability, and pure efficiency. Built with advanced foiling technology, it rises above the water to reduce draft and deliver an ultra-smooth, silent ride. Perfect for coastal travel, exploration, or high-end marine mobility, the 100F combines eco-friendly electric power with futuristic engineering. Its intuitive controls make it easy to handle, while its lightweight structure ensures impressive performance even in challenging waters. This is not just a boat, it's the future of personal water transport, redefining how we move across oceans, lakes, and coastal cities with confidence and style. What if your boat could fly above the water in total silence? Meet the Candela C8 Polestar Edition, a breakthrough in electric hydrofoiling technology that transforms the way we experience the water. Built through a collaboration between Candela and Polestar, this vessel combines luxury automotive design with cutting-edge marine engineering. It glides above the surface on hydrofoils, cutting drag, reducing energy use, and delivering a silent, ultra-smooth ride. With extended range, advanced digital controls, and premium interior detailing, every journey feels futuristic and refined. This is not just a boat, it's a statement of sustainable innovation and performance. The C8 Polestar Edition redefines electric boating, bringing car-level comfort to the ocean forward. What if your next camping trip came with a boat built for true wilderness adventure? Meet the Polarbird Raft 260, a rugged inflatable raft designed for campers, anglers, and outdoor explorers who demand reliability on the water. Built with durable, heavy-duty materials, this compact raft delivers impressive stability, comfort, and portability in remote environments. Its lightweight, foldable design makes transportation easy, while the spacious interior gives you room for gear, fishing equipment, and long expeditions. Whether you're crossing rivers, exploring lakes, or setting up camp in untouched nature, the Raft 260 is engineered to handle the challenge. Tough, practical, and adventure-ready. This is smart camping innovation at its best. What if luxury sailing became completely silent, electric, and limitless? Meet the Silent SY62 3-deck, a revolutionary solar-electric catamaran redefining luxury yachting. Powered by advanced electric propulsion and massive solar arrays, it delivers near-silent cruising with zero emissions. Its 3 spacious decks offer unmatched comfort, panoramic ocean views, and smart luxury living at sea. Designed for long-range exploration, the SY62 combines efficiency, stability, and futuristic engineering in one elegant platform. Experience smooth sailing without fuel noise or vibration, just pure connection with the ocean. From sunrise voyages to overnight adventures, this yacht represents the future of sustainable marine travel. The Silent SY62 3-deck is where innovation meets absolute freedom forward.